Are you looking for a dryer machine? In this video, I will show you the 5 best dryer machines based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. Featuring a large diameter stainless steel tumble, this portable laundry dryer adopts the forward and reverse tumble action. The weight of this clothes dryer is only 37.3 pounds, and the small size makes it portable. Its compact feature is perfect for small spaces like apartments, dormitories, and more. It can be mounted on the wall, placed on the firm horizontal ground, or mounted on the rack. The 4th product on the list is the Jontex washing machine. 2 tubs, one for washing and the other for spin drying, can fit well in your daily clothes washing. Our washing machine runs off 120V power and loads 12 pounds for washing / 8 pounds spinning. Perfect for you to save space and cut down the electricity bills. Separate timer control settings bring much convenience to different laundry options. What's more, a drainage tube attached helps a lot to drain out dirty water. With so many advantages, lightweight but durable, space-saving, Jontex washing machine fits great in the dorms, apartments, condos, motor homes, and especially those with limited space. Easy to take with, the mini washing machine is super ideal in trips like camping and RVs. Great for doing small loads of personal clothes like underwear and more. The 3rd product on the list is the Jontex washing machine Twin Tub. Integrate electric mini washing machine designed with a twin tub that will be convenient for you to wash and dry your family clothes at the same time. Also, there is an operation panel with a simple design, like a wash selector, wash timer, spin options, and spin timer, which is easy for you to operate. Furthermore, it is with large capacity but low energy consumption, more power but water and detergent saving. Suitable for apartments, kitchen sink, RVs, camping, travel, bathrooms, and dorms. The 2nd product on the list is the Yuhai Compact Laundry Dryer. This is a powerful yet compact clothes dryer machine. Yuhai portable dryer has a large capacity of 14.5 pounds. This dryer with 1400 W power can reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that your clothes dry quickly. This portable clothes dryer has a large diameter, stainless steel flip function, and a special, internal physical structure to deliver the best possible drying experience. These features ensure sufficient clothes rotation, prevent tangles, remove wrinkles, and leave your clothes fluffy and comfortable. The high efficiency, the two-way flip function also helps save energy and reduces drying time. The 1st product on the list is the Panda Portable Compact Laundry. This compact dryer makes it easy to quickly dry clothes, sheets, table linens, and more, without taking up a lot of room, perfect for apartments or other small living spaces, such as dorms and RVs. And it also can be the 2nd dryer in your house. It perfectly coordinates with any Panda washers and any other compact washing machines. It features a large see-through window. The stainless steel drum is durable and resists rust and chipping. It has a removable interior lint filter and a user-friendly control panel. Choose drying time from 20 to 200 minutes. A wall hanging bracket comes included and can be wall-mounted. Regular 3 prongs 110 voltage can be plugged anywhere, 1500 watts of motor rate, which may take a little longer time to dry the clothes, but it saves the electricity bills. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.